Hi, welcome to the SCM Technologies, Oracle Fusion Supply Chain Management. We have extensively providing for the project-based training. So, SCM Technologies is proudly announcing for that 2025 February batch for the real-time project-based training. So, where we have trained for the supply chain management modules. So it's a completely a project-based and real-time business scenarios. Why the business is implementing for this supply chain management in their businesses, how that business process is coming into the picture of application level, what are the configurations, and all these things will be coming into these trainings for the based on the real-time scenarios. So we have a batch on for this 8th February 2025 and demos starts on 6th and 7th February. Okay. And so the basic informations who is eligible for this training, the basic information, the graduates about degree. The degree is the minimum qualifications. Either you can take it's not only for the BTechs, you can take for the BA or BCom or BSc, whatever that. So degree is the minimum qualification and the basic English communication is mandatory to require. If English is not properly, communication is not be properly, then it's something it's difficulty to surviving for this job level. Okay, it is not a coding, it is not a coding any SQL and PLSQL, there is no any coding on this. And what are the modules we are going to working on this real-time training level? So we are basically working on the inventory management. So where we have inventory transactions, inventory controls, inventory accuracy methods, and inventory replenishment plan is those things we are going to working with the real-time business scenarios. Why the business is using for this transactional inventories. Okay. And coming to the procurement, basically for the purchasing. What are the purchasing related things and transactions from the business side? What is the P2P cycle and what is the sourcing and RSSP and supplier portal and management and approval workflows also we are going to extensively working on this. And coming to the order management, so it is very important for the organization for their profit and revenue purposes. The order to cash flow, how that will be comes into the application level. And what is the global order promising, GOP, and dropship and back-to-back orders and orchestrations, customizations, how we can create the orchestration customization, okay, based on the business of requirements. Okay, so that's the one thing. And coming to the product managements, product management is a mandatory things whenever we want to be making any transaction by using the inventory items, the items must be required into the application level. How we can create the items and what is the structure of the items and what is the specifications based on the item types, how we can define the specifications and category sets into the item level that we can discussing into the product management level. And costing and manufacturing, all the transactions are completed successfully where we need to be making the distribution of accounting that will be coming from the costing level. Along with costing, so manufacturing workflow also we are going to provide it for this additionally. Okay, so what is a work order? How we can create a work order? For that work order, how the work executions will be coming into the pictures, and what is the work definitions, and what is the work areas and work centers? How we can defining all those things we can discussing for the manufacturing related things also. So the course related highlights, the duration of course is 50 days, 50 working days, not for 50 hot days. It's a 50 working days and course fees 20,000. And what are the services we are provided? 1 year server support we are provided, lifetime access for the recording videos, resume preparation once your training is completed. If you want to moving for the job site, then the resume preparations and interview assistance will be provided. If you want to more information about the SCM Technologies, this is what our location, SCM Technologies, Amirpeta, Hyderabad, and contact numbers. If anybody want the demo request, so please ping me a message on WhatsApp this number. Okay, 7207245101. Okay, so this SCM Oracle Fusion is highly demanded technology. So nowadays, most of the businesses are moving from different technologies or different ERPs to Oracle Fusion ERP. So there is a lot of scope for the functional and technical consultants. This is completely functional consultant related roles. We have a very good packages are there. Okay, so if you want to more information, just ping me on WhatsApp, this number. We have a demos, exclusively demos on 6th and 7th of and February. Okay, and the batch starts from next day of 8th, the batch will be started. Okay, this is what a complete demo information about the coming upcoming batch related training. So whatever that we are going to provide it, we'll see here. Okay, this is what completely a demo informations for the upcoming training batch. Thank you.